Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Lovia from Zimbabwe, Bulawayo. When I first heard about MMM, it was 4 years back. Unfortunately, I heard it from a colleague of mine from high school, and then it was unfortunate for me to join. But then I could actually capture the idea of it because by then I was already a network marketing person. I was already into marketing, and then the thing is, for now, and then I became a participant. That is last year, December, and then I had eager to actually to be a manager. So I've been actually trying to register so that I can learn more about MM because I saw something special about it. And then I tried by all means to apply and all that. Then I was actually failing until I was actually approved this time. So I wanted to learn more about MMM because I liked the ideology of it. And then since from high school, I've been actually primary school, high school, I've been actually a prefect and all those things. Actually a leader. So that's when I actually said, okay, if I'm a leader myself, that means I can actually help with the to spread the MM ideology because I can actually explain something to someone and make sense. So here I'm going to speak first thing about first thing what I'm going to speak about today is the ideology of MMM in details. Right, this is the ideology of MMM. The MMM discovered that the government uses people who are actually poor and gather all those few monies that they have so that they can actually what be more richer and more richer. So MMM actually wants to have that amount, whatever small we have and whatever big you have, and then we share it among the community. So it doesn't actually want to be actually maybe confined to few countries or what, but it actually wants to be international and spread all the countries. So the idea it works like this. I mean, participants, everyone is just like everyone. We are all equal, and it doesn't matter when you joined or anything. It doesn't matter how much you start with. It all grows with the same percentage. And then we have managers. They also grows with the same percentage if they actually recruit. And then if they're given tasks and then they advertise, there are some things that they get, but it's still the same concept. So the MMR ideology actually works well for everyone. It's actually a simple thing. It actually has that communism rather than capitalism. So the thing is with the MMR ideology, it's just a simple thing. Everyone benefits. You provide help. It actually believes that I might have $30 today that I don't want to use for the next 3 months, but someone else will be needing to use it as soon as possible as a matter of emergency. So it's up to me now to give that person that $30 and expect that $30 to be returned after. I don't have actual intention to get it back when it has interest, but I do it with my wholeheartedly because I'm actually helping out. So there's no way I can take that money to the bank because the bank they're going to charge me. And even when I need it, as a matter of fact, they'll tell me it's not there because they actually gave the real estate and they invested in there, all that. So that's the simple ideology that is MMM using. So when I get it, the security that I have is that I'm not going to get it from that person, but there is more people that are actually providing help by that time. So there's actually a matter of just helping out as individuals, as a community as well, as a country, as international. And then now, point number two, I'm going to talk about how MMM works, the mechanism of it as a whole. Right, like I said, I think I've already mentioned some few points about how MMM works. Right, it actually uses the same techniques as bank, but MMM is more honest because it actually tells us whether our money is we're going to get it or not. But they says there's no guarantee because we're actually helping each other selflessly, right? As long it is believed that more people they actually want to invest than they want to withdraw, so it's going to be like that. Just like banks, there won't be any way that everyone is going to cash, going to withdraw their monies from the bank at the same time. So MMM using that mechanism that people that are going to be more what on savings. So everyone is going to what more people that are going to deposit their money and provide help, and few people are going to want to cash out because they want their money to grow at least for a few months or for a few years. But the idea is you don't have to let your money grow until it becomes big, because it would be actually killing the system, because this mechanism is actually based on honestly and being responsible of our of our of our actions. It actually teaches about every day, so that you can actually be a reliable person and responsible. And then I'm going to talk about rules of MMM. Rules of MMM, first thing is to be honest with yourself and with the people around you. So the thing is, you don't have to create more accounts, you just have to use one account, and then you have to provide what you can afford, not what you don't have. So provide what you can manage. Don't expect anything in return, because you are helping out. So you have to stick to those rules. Never talk bad about MMM. MMM is just an idea. You don't have to go around telling people that it's a get-rich scheme or invest your money and all that. MMM is not a bank. It's not a company. It's just a community thing where people are actually helping each other. Then the benefits of MMM, I'm going to talk about interest, bonuses, the programs that it offers. MMM, the interest that is there, the first one is the 30%. That is 1% on a daily basis up to 30 days. Okay, I'm actually just going to skip the month thing. Just talk about the interest that is 30%. So assumingly it's a percent per day, because a month has 30 days. So the interest that is there, is actually another interest that is when you are recruiting, you are going to get what, something like 10% when you have recruited. That means it's going to make more people to join, because they will be wanting that 10%. And then on the bonuses, when you join anything above $50, then you get a $20 bonus. And then we also have programs, that is to be a guide, manager, and all that, and all those programs inside. Let's say, let's say you have got help, and then you are actually encouraged to record a video of yourself, where you will get a 3%, 5% interest for recording your video. It depends whether your voice is there or your face. If your face is there, that will be 5%. If your face is not there, that will be 3%. And then I think for the day, that's all. Thank you very much, listeners. For anything, you just have to contact me. I'm going to leave my email. My email is ryanwellsndlovu rv2@gmail.com. Get me there for more information. I'll be able to help you. And then my Facebook username, ryanwellsndlovu. I repeat, ryanwellsndlovu. Thank you. I'm very proud to be MM participant, and I'm actually working hard to be a guider. Thank you very much, guys. I'm glad to be part of the team, to be part of the community. I'm very happy to work with everyone that is in MMM. I'm very actually looking forward to help everyone or anyone who's actually need that of help to be explained about MMM ideology and the whole concept of it. Thank you. Goodbye.